usually the camera can go from 1 to 1/2000 of a second for the shutter speed, so it should be pretty accurate.
Is that what it's doing? Is taking snapshots once it hits the I/O?
Yeah, let me see if I can find the user interface.
Because right now in Pennsylvania, I mean, when you go through Easy Pass, I mean, getting the back of the plate, it's not a problem at all. I mean, I don't know what technology they're using there, but I've got plenty of things.
Got a picture, it's definitely no problem. When you pass by, you are using the old I/O trigger. Taking a picture, that's right. That's probably
I believe it works up to 130 miles per second.
If that's what the video camera's doing, is actually taking a snapshot and not fully recording the whole entire frame.
No, if you integrate it with the DVR, then you get a video clip. But the LPR basically it only takes snapshot. I'm trying to find a picture.
Which is why you're getting it so clear and being able to detect the play.
Okay, Mike, I think I know what you're asking. The system in Pennsylvania or most of the toll plaza, they only have the license plate, what we call the capture camera. But they don't have license plate recognition software. These are two different concepts. One is the hardware, these are the software. So the good thing about the license plate recognition software is it can link to your database. So we suggest our installers to apply this tool to the customer, like with a gated community, okay, or enclosed environment such a private parking garage. So you can input all the existing customers' license plate. So if, for example, like the Dallas airport, if they have a private place for the senators to park, and you don't want the non-senators to park in the parking lot, this system will work pretty well. But if you set up the, if you try to recognize the license plate in the highway, in an open area, I think so far it's still very difficult. This might get.
Can you please expand on how do you do that in a private parking space where you can let the senator in? How are you doing that?
Okay. The first you have on Geovision, there's a database there.
Okay.
Then you input all the senators' the license plate number.
Right.
Okay. You set up the camera at the entrance of the parking lot. So if this is the car from this senator's car, and the software can recognize this is ABC 123, and the gate will be open.
Okay.
But if somebody is my car, they go into the gate, and then the gate will be closed. It will not be open.
All right. So how is the opening happening? I guess is my next.
Oh, the DVR is connected to the gate. Okay. The LPR server is connected to the gate, and there's an I/O trigger. Frank or Daniel, can you explain a little bit on how those things are connected to the I/O device?
Okay. So basically, you will create a database at your ciphers, and then what the system will do is that it's going to take pictures of your license plates, and then it identifies the license plate number and try to match the number in the database. And if it's there, it's going to give you access, and then it's going to trigger the I/O, open up the gate.
Okay.
If it doesn't, then it's not going to open up the gate.
And obviously you're keeping history of all those transactions.
Right?
If you integrate with the DVR, then you get video clips. Then have video. Yeah.
So the TV net card will work? Yes. Yes. I may help you. Yes, I'll do that later. After this. For example, if you have your gated community, you have your residence license plate database.
So whenever the cars pass by, the system will recognize is it a visitor or is it a resident, or is it a VIP or is it someone on the blacklist, and the picture in the database will show up. And our system also can give you a VIP picture-in-picture, so it gives you an overview, and also this small picture maybe you can shoot out the driver's face. So you can do, okay, you can find out this car is the resident, is the driver, compared with this picture is the registered person, like that. And you can always click it, the system will give you a live view.
And the IO ports are coming out of the what?
The LPR segment. So the LPR, DVR.
So you do need a DVR.
No, I'm sorry, just the LPR.
Okay.
But usually, we will use LPR and DVR together. For example, we have DVR here. We just need to install another LPR software, so make it become a DVR plus LPR. That's our recommendation. So you can have you can have 16 channel, maybe 4 channel doing the LPR recognition. The other 12 channel to do the video surveillance.
It still won't give the quality of that LPR with the DVR. Because that's taking a snapshot. You get that without the DVR, that snapshot, and that picture recognition. But then if you go back to the DVR, the Geovision DVR, you're not going to get that kind of crisp picture because of the fact that it's not taking a snapshot.
Okay.
Is that right?
Okay, I got a question. So if you use the LPR and the DVR, say one DVR, okay, we will suggest you to use dual monitor because the DVR interface is different than LPR interface. DVR interface is digital DVR interface. Okay. So you can put 16 channel. So you can put a dual monitor like this, linked to one DVR. Okay, by putting one extra VGA card. You can have two monitor. One monitor will give you an interface like this, exactly like this. You can do the 4-channel license plate recognition, and the other 12 channel you can do the video surveillance. And within that, within this 16 channel, will be 4 channel doing the license plate recognition. But if you want to see the recognition result, you have to see this monitor. And that 4-channel in video is kind of snatched.
But you're not going to get the quality there that you're going to get there. Like that, you're not going to be able to. My main thing is that that's specific to get the license plate.
Yes.
And get the clear shot. If you play back that Geovision and you play back that same car going by on that Geovision, you're not going to be able to see the plate on that DVR. Because that's taking a snapshot.
Okay, are you trying to say, is your concern trying to compare the picture and the license plate number? Or?
Well, I think
a snapshot to a moving video. The clarity difference.
Right.
The camera you use for the license plate, I think it's just going to be a little different than the same video surveillance.
Yeah, it's going to be the same camera. Or are you talking about getting 2 cameras?
No, I mean, like for example, I've got an installation where you do not have license plates. We have special cameras for the license plates, and the regular cameras. So even in the video, you do see the license plate.
You will see it.
I mean, if you've got a camera focused specifically for a license plate, you're going to see it in the video.
Are you using that LPR?
No, I'm not using that LPR. But I've used the Geovision, and I've used the Geovision, and I can see license plate. If I've got a camera, we design specifically for the screen of the license plate, so I'm using
Basically, if you have the LPR camera set up and you wish to see the same LPR channels in your DVR, you're gonna see the same thing. But since LPR, the purpose of LPR is to capture a lot of different pictures at the same time. Because when you do the LPR, you only need one picture to do the recognize, one good picture, so you can see the license plate down there. So the frame rate is gonna be lower than the actual recording, where you have like a video looking. But with the LPR, it's gonna have lower frame rates, but it's gonna give you like a lot of pictures. So it's not the same thing, but with the LPR, the quality is gonna be better because it's gonna focus on the license plate.
I have a question. What is the speed of those pictures? how quickly, what was each picture?
Oh, it's up to 30 frame rate per second.
So it's gonna look like a video if you wanna watch it.
Well, I think I confused you guys.